Hi, Mrs. Lovett here. I'm getting things ready for Monday, September 21st. Students will use an organizer to help plan their personal narrative. And the first thing you need to do is open up this Google slide that is in your Google Classroom and dated for Monday. When you open up this Google slide, it'll make a copy of your own. So right up here where it says Personal Narrative 1, you need to type your name in correctly. Remember, we always capitalize our first and last name. And that will be worth some points when you turn this slide in at the end of the week. Okay, so our second slide here, we are talking about magnifying your moment, a memorable moment in your life. Now, if it's a watermelon story, that just means it's really a broad thing to talk about. But we want to zoom in and really get to the seeds. And for some examples here, in class, we're going to do some matching. Okay, so your first birthday party sleepover. Now, that's pretty specific. So that's going to be a seed story. So you can just click and drag that over to seed. Now, a birthday party, that's not very specific, so we didn't zoom in enough. So that's just a watermelon story. Swimming in the deep end for the first time. That's very specific. That's zooming in on a seed. Okay, swimming. That's just a general, you could write so many moments about swimming. Using your new skipping rope, like a jump rope, seed, and playing outside, watermelon. So then you can kind of move these around and you get examples here that I want you to write your personal narrative about a very specific time. So now I've made these slides purple for the ones that it's my turn. I'm giving you examples. And the white slides will be ones where you will have your turn to write. Okay, so back to my turn. Magnifying your moment. Think of a general writing idea. Magnify it by thinking of the tiny moments that are a part of this idea. Check each one to see if you can make it a smaller, more specific moment. So my watermelon moment, and it says, write your response here. So I wrote, I could write about my time in Alaska, and I wrote a complete sentence. Okay. Now it's your turn. Pick a moment, and it can be pretty general, and type it there. And I am looking for complete sentences. Okay. Next slide. I'm going to get a little bit more specific. I could write about all the amazing things I did with my family, such as hiking, kayaking, and skiing in Alaska. Now I need to get more specific. I could write about the hiking trips we took during our 3 years in Alaska. Okay. Now it's your turn to zoom in. So whatever your first idea was, zoom in, magnify, and get more specific. Okay. Now I'm going to get right down to the seed. I'm magnifying it as much as I can. I'm going to pick one specific thing to write about, one hike. So I could write about a specific hike we took through Hunter's Pass, where we picked blueberries and rolled down hillsides. Sorry, there's a fly buzzing around in here. Okay, so now it's your turn. And this is called a graphic organizer, and it's helping to organize your thoughts. So go ahead and type your response here. Okay, so that is all you are doing for Monday. This slide, though, will continue for the whole week. So this whole week, we're working on this one slide. And because of parent-teacher conferences, which are by phone this year, we will probably work on this slide well into Monday. So your personal narrative will be due Monday, September 28th, but I will be grading this whole entire slide. So each one of these moments. You need a complete sentence, and you need to get all the way down to a very specific moment, a memorable moment of your life that you're going to write your personal narrative about. Now, tomorrow I will, well, that's Tuesday. Tuesday will not be having any work except maybe bell work because we are leaving early for parent-teacher conferences. So the students are going to complete any missing assignments and then AR read. For virtual students, you need to use this time off on Tuesday to get caught up on work. I still have a lot of zeros out there, so go through your Google Classroom, check your stream, not just the classwork. Check the stream. You can start at the bottom, work your way up the top, and make sure you have looked at every day's work to make sure you don't have any missing assignments. And I know that may be a lot if you haven't logged in yet, but you're gonna have some time on Tuesday to get caught up. Okay. So then we will go on, and you can go ahead and take a sneak peek and look at the slide and what's expected out of you this whole week. But this is the slide we're going to work on till Monday. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and stop the video for now, and I will video more for Wednesday. Bye. Maybe. Sorry. Bye.